can actually be over there. You come this way. You can stand back here too. You have babies in the bushes. Your parents will bring out the. I get a bag of crushed corn from the vet, and they eat crushed corn every day. You're gonna see out the bushes here, baby moorhens with them, but you have to be quiet. Move back. And when you stand here, you're gonna see all that. Yeah, that's a blue beak ruddy duck. All of these the same kind of white cheek pintail ducks. Then you have the dove. Then the ones who are gonna come with their babies, the black ones with the red nose are moorhens, and black with the white nose is peaks.
What's the one with the blue?
Yeah, those are blue beak ruddy ducks. Those are the males. The females are dark. You're gonna scare them. See, they're going back. Okay, y'all have to be quiet. Quack, quack, quack. You see them? They'll come as soon as the food comes, and they fight. They fight for the food. So you're gonna see some action here. You're gonna see action now. Here you go. Here they come.
That's enough food for all of them?
Yeah, but they eat off the pond. That's a moorhen. That's a moorhen. And then they have the black ones with the white. They have black with the white. Those are no, green. Their feet are green, but all of them with the black and red nose, the black with the red nose, the moorhens, their feet, their legs and feet are green. They're not webbed like the ducks. They're open toed. And the babies will come out if the mother calls. This is wonderful. This is wonderful. No, we don't scare them. That's one thing we don't do. We don't let anybody come to the fish, even though there's fish in here. There's growing and birds. It's very peaceful. And bird watchers come all the time. Tourists when they love it. Absolutely love it. Because we don't allow it. More now, more friendly, but it's okay. They've been living here all these years. They're fine. No, it's nothing because too long. Everybody wave, say hey. Hey. They're here from Conservation and Fisheries. What's the name of the summer program? Environmental Education Summer Program from the Department of Conservation and Fisheries. You're getting everyone? All right. Are you related to Abstina Chalwell?
I don't know, hon. Okay, go ahead. Go touch yourself. Go ahead.
I can't reach it.
Oh, I can't take it down. They're screwed in. But just go point at it and say something. All right.
And it said crack. Say no.
All right.
We have to go.
Okay.
Okay. We have to go.
Can we meet you?
And now the birds are, yes. Okay. See, they're all coming back now. Oh. They're all coming back now. Because they can, thank you so much. All right. Okay.
That means they don't like us.
Oh, he's landing. He's on the water. He's sitting on the water. The booby. He's sitting there and eating. Look at him. You see him? I've never seen them do that. Close this before the storm comes. Watch yourself.